Hello students, in this video we will learn how to install and activate MATLAB sitting in our home. This is mainly useful for Thapar student and faculty. So let's see how to download MATLAB. So for installing MATLAB you just need a valid email ID with the extension thapar.edu. So if you have any problem with your email or you don't have your email ID, so you can write directly to this email address with attaching your institute iCard. You can find this information in your Thapar website. That is, if you open thapar.edu, you will find this option, email account support during COVID-19. So when you press this, you will get the information about the recovery of your email ID. So now you have a valid email ID, so you can install MATLAB and activate it. So for the first step is that go to this website. I'll give the link description box below. So you will press this link and then you will see a window will appear, and if you scroll down a bit you will find this option. So you will press sign in to get started, and when you press this button you will get this window. So since you don't have a MathWork account till now, what you have to do is that you need to press create one, and as soon as you press create one you will get the window like this. In this you have to give informations like email address. Remember that you need to put your email ID with the extension thapar.edu, then location as India, which describes you. You will have plenty of options, but you will have to select the student. And the last is are you at least 13 years or older? So you need to press yes, and then you will press create. Now as soon as you press, you will get the windows like this, and which says that go to your inbox. So after pressing create button you need to go to your email with the thapar.edu extension, and you need to check your inbox. So if you don't receive any email from MathWork account, what you need to do is that you need to check your spam folders, because sometimes email is not appears in the inbox. So just check your spam email folder, and then click on the verification link which is sent by MathWork. So when you click on the verification link you will get something like this. In this you have to give some information, so fill all the informations and select a button. So as soon as you click on create, it will create the account on MathWork. So after the account is created, you can again go to the website, and then if you press now sign in, so if you press sign in now, you can, since you have an email ID, that is your Thapar email ID, and then you will press this button next, and after pressing next you will ask for the password. Now remember that you have to give the password for the MathWork account, not your email ID. So you have to put the password for the MathWork account which you have recently created, and then press sign in, and then you will see this window will appear. So this window you just have to press this download installer, because you don't have installer, MATLAB installer till now, so you will need a MATLAB installer. So press this download installer, and when you will press download installer you will see that this latest version of installer is available. So you can press this button, and the older versions are also available. You can see it over here, and if you want the older version you can download it. I download this newer latest version. So when you click this, you will see that you will get this window. So in this you have to download this one. If you have a Windows operating system, you need to press this if you have Mac, and if you have to press this if you are working on the Linux operating system. So since I have Windows, I press this, and as soon as you press this, you will see that the exe file gets downloaded, which is around 217 MB. So wait for few minutes, and when the download is completed, you will see that if you open that, you will see that a window, that is a WinZip self extractor, starts running. And then again wait for few minutes so that it is completed 100%. And after it is completed, you will see that this window will appear automatically, and you again need to wait for a few minutes, and after that you will see that again you will be asked for the email ID, and then you will have to put the email ID, your university email ID, press next, and then give the password and press sign in. So when you press sign in, you will see this window with which is asking for the license agreement. So what you need to do is that you need to press yes, and then press next. Okay, so after this you will see a window appearing like this. So in this you have to select this second options, because you are using MATLAB as a individual. So after selecting the second option, you will press this button next. So after you press this button, you will see this window, and this window you have to do nothing, just you need to check the information and then press this button next. When you press this button next, you will see a window like this, and in this you can select the toolboxes, but I recommend you that whatever is selected, let it be, and press next. Because so you will see this window after pressing next, and then you can tick box this, that this will add a shortcut to the desktop, the MATLAB shortcut to the desktop, and after checking this, press next. So as soon as you press next, you will see this window, and in this window you don't have to do anything. It is just giving some information like what is a destination file and how much GB is required, and just look at the information and then press begin install. And when you will press this, you will see that it start downloading the MATLAB. So now this is a very heavy file, and so it will take a lot of time, like it may take more than 1 hour. So the best thing is that you download it at the night, leave it, and as you wake up in the morning, you will see that the MATLAB is downloaded. And also make sure that your system is connected to internet. Without this, your download won't progress. So make sure that you are connected to internet. And as soon as the 100% is complete, you will see a window like this which says that activation is complete, and then click on the finish button. So now you have downloaded the MATLAB, also activated the MATLAB. So now you can enjoy coding in MATLAB. Thank you.